Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is students should improve their vocabulary and not rely on autocorrect. Now, what is autocorrect, ladies and gentlemen? There is a feature in MS Word, Microsoft Word application on your desktop or laptop computer where you write documents. There is a feature that whenever you come across a word which is having an error, it is marked as red. When you right click on that error, it gives you options to correct that word, and you can select the most appropriate word. You can change the spelling, you can change this bad spelling into the correct spelling. So this feature is automatic in this application Microsoft Word. We all know about it. I don't need to tell you all these things. MS Word is very common application, ladies and gentlemen. Microsoft Word on desktop or your laptop computer. You write one word which is having some error, the spelling is not correct. You click on it and it shows certain options, and you can then you can select from those options. You can correct the spelling of that word. So what happens whenever we write anything on MS Word in office life or in college life? What we do, we are so busy in doing our tasks that we rarely bother that what type of mistakes we are making in writing the spelling of a particular word. And when the document is over, we scan that document, and wherever there are spelling mistakes, we keep doing autocorrect on those mistakes. We know that this application has been provided to us directly by MS Word application. So you have written a document, and then when you scan that document, when you see that what mistakes you have done, you come across large number of red underlines, which shows that these are the words which are not spelt properly. So what you do? You try to change their meaning by clicking. The automatic dictionary of MS Word, it automatically rectifies that particular word. And it becomes very easy for us to review our document, to make our document in a proper way. But if it becomes a habit, ladies and gentlemen, that is not good for our professional growth. If it becomes a habit that every time you are writing a written document on MS Word and every time you are making the same spelling mistakes, and you are not worried because you know that MS Word is an autocorrect application, so you can rectify your spelling by the help of MS Word. MS Word is automatically going to help you in order to rectify that spelling. But what about your own personal knowledge about that word? What about your own specific English vocabulary? It means that your own vocabulary is not good. If every time you are relying on MS Word, it means that your own vocabulary is not good and you are not doing enough to upgrade your vocabulary. Vocabulary is large number of words in a particular language. You must know large number of words used in different type of situation in a particular language, be it Hindi, be it English, be it any other language which you are using for documentation. Your vocabulary should be strong. And what is the best method of improving vocabulary? Read English text more and more on daily basis. Read different types of English text. They may be story, they may be motivational books, they may be newspapers. Read English material daily on daily basis. By reading English material on daily basis, you will come to know that what are the different types of words used in different types of sentences, what these words are emphasizing, and what is the appropriate spelling of these words, how these words are used, what is the grammatical structure of that word, in what places that word should be used in order to make a complete sentence. All this thing you come to know if you read extensively. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, develop habit of reading a lot. Read as much as you can. And what we have to read? We have to read our course books. Whatever subjects you are studying, read course books of those subjects thoroughly. Sit for 1 hour, 2 hours, read consistently for a certain period of time so that you can upgrade your knowledge related to your subject, plus you can upgrade your knowledge about the grammatical structure of a sentence in order to improve your communicative English. By reading, by analyzing things, you will come to know that what is the most appropriate spelling of a particular word. In most of the cases, we make this mistake, ladies and gentlemen. We are sitting on laptop or desktop, we are documenting something, and mostly we make large number of spelling mistakes. But since we know that MS Word is helping us to rectify that mistake, that's why we rarely bother about upgrading our own vocabulary. Try to upgrade your own vocabulary, ladies and gentlemen, because in situations when autocorrect application is not there, you will face huge difficulties and it will also spoil your reputation. For example, suppose you are holding a responsible position in some office, in some department, in some organization, and your job involves writing crucial business letters. While writing crucial business letters manually, ladies and gentlemen, by pen and paper, if your responsibility involves writing business letters and other such things manually, you will make large number of spelling mistakes, and that is going to spoil your reputation, because the person who is going to read that document, he or she will think that this person is holding a responsible position and his English is not good. His vocabulary is not good. How come he is holding that responsible position? It means he is not deserving that responsible position. He might have done something unethical and immoral in order to gain that position. By his own efforts, by his own knowledge, that person has not gained that position. So this is the thinking that gets developed in the mind of other people about you. When you are holding a responsible position in an organization and still you are making spelling mistakes. So ladies and gentlemen, spelling mistake is not an ordinary thing. It can spoil your reputation forever. If you are holding a responsible position and your job is to document large number of things, and every time you are making a spelling mistake, it is going to spoil your reputation forever. People will say that this person absolutely deserves nothing. The kind of position this person is holding, he is not deserving that position, but still he is here. I don't know how. So please don't let this thing happen to you. Please don't let this thing happen in your life. Try to keep your good reputation intact. Try to develop your reputation. And in order to develop your reputation, you must be thorough in every type of thing. You should be perfect in the core task that you are doing. Plus, you should be perfect in English. Written English and spoken English, both. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very small mistake that people make, but it brings a huge bad impact in your personal and professional life. It is a very small thing. You are so busy writing a letter, writing a business mail, that you are not having time for spell check. No problem. Automatic application is there provided by MS Word, and automatically it corrects the wrong word and wrong sentence. But by making consistent use of it, we are reducing our vocabulary. That's why be very conscious about it. Along with the position that you are holding inside an organization, your written and spoken English skills should be highly perfect. That makes you a true professional. If you are lacking in basic skills, people are not going to respect you more. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.